Look at your hand. The atoms inside it are older than the Earth, older than the Sun, almost as old as time itself. To understand where they came from, we have to go back. Nearly 14 billion years, all the way back to the very beginning. When the universe was born, it made almost nothing. Just hydrogen and a little helium. The two lightest elements. For a long time, the cosmos was only glowing gas and darkness. There was no carbon, no oxygen, no iron, none of the ingredients for a planet or a person. For those, the universe needed stars. Deep inside a star, gravity squeezes hydrogen so hard that atoms fuse together. Hydrogen becomes helium, helium becomes carbon, carbon becomes oxygen. Layer by layer, a star forges heavier and heavier elements in its core, and for millions of years it burns. But a star cannot burn forever. When the largest stars run out of fuel, their cores collapse in a fraction of a second, and then they explode. A supernova. For a few short weeks, a single dying star can outshine an entire galaxy. In that unimaginable heat, the heaviest elements are born: gold, silver, iron. Some are forged in the violent collision of dead stars, in flashes so bright they bend space itself. And the blast scatters them across the void, seeding the darkness with everything a new world could ever be made of. Then billions of years pass, the dust drifts, gravity gathers it, and from the ashes of those dead stars, new stars are lit, surrounded by spinning rings of rock and ice. Around one quiet, ordinary star, a small blue world takes shape. On that world, the scattered atoms found each other again. The carbon became living cells. The iron became the blood in your veins. The calcium became your bones. The oxygen filled your very first breath. Every one of those atoms was forged inside a star that died long before you were ever born. You are, quite literally, made of starlight. So you are not separate from the night sky. You are part of it. The same elements glowing in those distant points of light are glowing quietly inside you. We are a way for the universe to look back at itself and wonder. So the next time you stand beneath the stars, on a night that matters to you, remember, that sky is where you came from. With SkyWhen, you can keep the exact stars that shone over any night of your life. The night you were born, the night you fell in love, a small piece of the sky that made you. See your sky at skywhen.com.